Seria, discover serene living here in Baliwag, Bulacan, located at Baliwag Candaba Road, Baliwag, Bulacan. That one is already going to Pampanga, and this is going to North Luzon Expressway or SM Baliwag. Today, we're going to discover the beauty and the classic, timeless style of this new project that I'm gonna offer you.
Ongoing construction yung kanilang clubhouse. We're gonna have a house tour, 'di ba? It's a classic subdivision here in Baliwag, Bulacan. So, of Vialand, Seria, developer yung of Vialand. Meron ng 30 plus na na-turnover dito. So, may community na siya, may mga nakatira na, may mga ready for occupancy, may pre-selling. Pero, mabilis talaga ang turnover dito. Ganito yung community niya. So, ang main subdivision road, 12 meter wide. As you can see, it's very wide. Inner road is also malaki. Para siyang 8 to 10 meter wide. Ganda. Very elegant yung color. Simple. Let's go to the model unit. So, fina-flash ko naman sa screen yung kanyang floor and lot area, guys, for your information. Maganda sa pagka-duplex niya, nasa likod, yung firewall. Kaya pag sa harap, mukha siyang single attached. Pero in reality, it's a duplex by definition and technically speaking. Ito yung firewall, oh. So, yan. Pinapakita ko yung firewall niya. Yan siya. So, it's a duplex na nasa likod yung firewall. Kaya pagka front facing, nagmumukhang single attached. Pero duplex by definition. Complete finish turnover na to. House tour sa duplex model ni Seria. So, ito yung dress up na tinatawag. Siyempre, alisin mo lang yung gamit. Ang actual turnover unit nito, guys, maganda kasi nakita nyo naman, di ba, sa screen, yung floor area, lot area. Napakalaki niya. Signan mo to, sa dining, 6-seater Tama, 6-seater dining table ang luwag. Yan. Tapos ang luwag ng living space mo, oh. Look at your living area, oh. Ang laki ng ginamit na sofa bed. Kita niya yan? Very nice. Tapos may pang-accent ka pa here. This is going to be your kitchen area. And access door to your garden pa. Kasi nga, pag corner, pag duplex, may space ka pa. Lalo na, kasi ito kaya malaki yung space. Kasi corner to eh. So, kung inner na duplex, may space ka pa rin dito. Pero, depende sa lot area na mapipili mo, di ba? So, ganun siya. So, ganun tayong kay kitchen niya. Maganda na. Complete finish turnover na talaga siya, guys. Nakalak lang to, pero pati yung toilet niya maganda rin. Complete finished. Tapos ito kasi yung magiging dirty kitchen mo, di ba? Sabi ko nga, to, laundry area to. Di ba sabi ko nga, yung duplex is pagka-duplex niya kakaiba. Very unique kasi nga nasa gitna or nasa likod yung kanyang firewall. Kasi ito yung katabing unit, 'di ba? Kasi nga duplex, sharing a firewall from the back, 'di ba? The good thing about it is kapag lumipat ka na, ipapa-enclose mo na lang 'yan. Palagyan mo na lang ng roof. 'Di ba? Pataasan ng konti, palagyan ng roof, ganun. Yun na yung laundry area mo. So, yun siya, guys. Ganda. Grabe, there's nothing like this. Actually, I have a lot of projects, but this is the first time I see something like this in terms of yung pagiging creative nila sa duplex style. It's very nice. It's very good. So I'm telling you, like, this is a very good investment here in the area of Bulacan. If you are looking for something with faster turnover, like 6 months or within a year, 'di ba? Kung nagmamadali ka. Pero kung hindi ka nagmamadali, syempre, depende kasi yan sa'yo kung sa pangangailangan mo eh. Are you in a rush or not really? Diba? Depends. So, this is the second floor area. Mataas yung ceiling. Pwede kang mag-chandelier or drop lights. Luwag, grabe. Ang luwag ng hallway, oh. Kita mo yan, oh. From here. Let me just show you na pwede ka pang maglagay dito ng accent chair or, diba, computer table. Kasi ang luwag niya talaga. And then this is your bedroom number 1. I'll show you. So you have a small bedroom number 1 over here. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath to eh. So bedroom 1, maliit lang yun. Tapos ito bedroom 2. Mas malaki lang ng konti yung size. Yan. So that's bedroom number 2. And of course, your master's bedroom. The biggest one. So this is your master's bedroom, guys. Ganda oh. Your master's bedroom, Seria by Ovialand, duplex model, here at Baliwag, Bulacan. Here in Baliwag, Bulacan, meron siyang, ang ganda nung ano niya, kasi big windows yung ginamit. Ganda nung ano, aesthetically speaking, 'di ba? Ganda nung kanyang design. Meron pa tong balcony, guys, did you know? Here. Your mini balcony, very nice. Look at that. Look at your mini balcony. Hello, neighbors. Hello, everyone. That's your mini balcony. And you have toilet and shower sa second floor. So, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. There you have it. Very nice. Seria in Baliwag, Bulacan by Ovialand developer. Wow, guys. Okay, let me show you the sample computation for our duplex, okay? So here it is. Sample computation. Yan, guys. Duplex yan. Yan, nandyan na siya. Pati yung required income, nakikita nyo sa screen, okay? So, here, walk-ins are not allowed. You need to contact me directly to schedule a viewing at least 1 to 2 days before. Schedule natin yan para ma-add ko sa calendar ko, guys. Syempre, 'di ba? At bago ang tripping, ma-pre-qualify na kaagad kita. Masagot ko na yung mga tanong mo para naman to save you time, money, and effort because that's very important, right? Do you agree with me? Wow, very nice. So there you have it, guys. My Viber WhatsApp number on the screen, 0917-114-2422. So obviously, pag townhouse, cluster yun, di ba? So, ito, model lang kasi to. So, sa townhouse, ito na yung actual turnover niya. Nasa screen yung kanyang floor and lot area. Nakikita nyo naman na maliwanag siya. Ay, maliwanag. Maluwag siya. Pinagsabi ko. Ayan. O, diba guys? Ito yung gilid niya. Kapag townhouse na end, ha? Siyempre, may inner unit din. Depende sa ma-avail mo. Pero, let's go inside. Kasi ito actual turnover na to ng townhouse, eh. So, si townhouse, ang ganda ng tiles. Painted. Very nice. Hello po. Tas, ito na sa kitchen. And then, toilet and shower. Wow! Ang laki ng toilet and shower niya. Pero sa townhouse, ha? Spacious si townhouse. Ito tayo sa second floor ng townhouse. Dito sa Seria, meron kang ilang kwarto. Ay, ang galing. Townhouse pero 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. So, bedroom 1. Bedroom 2, master's bedroom. Ito yung master's bedroom na may access to the mini balcony. Yan, may mini balcony access ka dito. Yan siya. May toilet and shower. Yan. Toilet and shower sa second floor. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. Yan. Explain ko na rin yung ano, ipa-flash ko na rin sa screen yung townhouse and unit na sample computation. Yan. Flash natin sa screen. Galing. Very affordable. Ready for occupancy. RFO. Soon to be RFO meron. Mabilis lang yung ano, construction dito. Nice, oh. So, kung townhouse, yung pasok sa budget mo, Go mo na yan. So guys, I hope you liked our house tour here at Feria, Baliwag, Bulacan, 'di ba? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, 'di ba? Ayan yung ating model units, oh. Ito yung komunidad dito, guys. Meron tayo ditong complete amenities like swimming pool. Ganda nung natin dito, 'di ba? Pinakita ko naman the beginning of this video, the entrance gate. Like and subscribe.